Hey guys, hey, welcome. I'm here with my beautiful co-host. This is my mom. So yay, Mom, for making it on the video, right? So today we're making some sourdough pizza. So we just have I pre-made the crusts right here, and then we're gonna use my semi-famous pizza sauce. We're gonna put this on as much as you want, and you can do yours. And then I have my farmhouse cheddar cheese. Thank you, co-host. That I have made and has been aging in the fridge, and I brought that out today, and it's delicious. So we're going to put that on there. And then I also have some onions from the garden that are still doing well. So they have been pulled out for many months. So we're going to put that on there. And then we are going to put them in the oven at 425 for 5 minutes. So go follow the recipe for both the pizza sauce and the pizza dough as well. So thanks. Do you want to say anything?
Nope.